The world of making money online has become incredibly accessible, but many people are still stuck because they don't know where to start or who to learn from. Welcome back to Tech Vibes, where we break down the most effective ways to leverage technology for financial freedom. Today, we are deep diving into a method that allows you to use your smartphone to generate a consistent income, potentially reaching 100,000 to 150,000 Naira every single week. This is not about Ponzi schemes or inviting friends to join a pyramid. It is about a legitimate business model known as affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a simple yet powerful concept where you help companies advertise their products online. You don't need to own a shop, you don't need a laptop, and you certainly don't need any special certificates or degrees. All you need is a smartphone and a data connection. Many successful digital entrepreneurs actually prefer using their phones because they are easily accessible, whether you are at home, on vacation, or out running errands. The process involves placing advertisements on social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram, and when someone makes a purchase through your unique link, you earn a significant commission. Think of it like this. In a traditional market, you might see people standing outside shops, inviting passersby to come in and look at phones or electronics. Those individuals are essentially affiliates for the shop owner. When they bring a customer in and a sale is made, the owner gives them a small commission. In the digital world, we do the same thing but without the physical stress of dragging people into shops. Everything happens 100% online. We don't go looking for people. We set up systems so that the people who already need the products come to us. The secret to success in this business is targeting the right audience. If you are selling a training course on how to monetize a YouTube channel, and you don't want your ads shown to everyone. You want them to reach people who are actively searching for how to post or withdraw money from YouTube. Social media platforms allow you to specify exactly who sees your advertisements. By directing your offers only to those who are already interested, you create a system where people flood your messages asking how they can pay. This is the difference between struggling and making millions. One of the best things about this model is the high commission rates. Unlike physical products that might pay a tiny percentage, digital information products often pay up to 50% commission. If you make a sale for a product worth 100,000 Naira, you could see 50,000 Naira land in your account immediately. These earnings can be withdrawn directly to your local bank account within seconds. It is a predictable way to turn your screen time into a productive source of income. That works even while you are sleeping or traveling. To truly excel, it is essential to undergo proper training. This is where the Grown Academy comes in, which stands for Get Rich Online with Nathal Academy. It is a dedicated online school that focuses on teaching the simplest and most effective ways to make money online legally. The Academy provides a structured environment where students can thrive. It is here where students learn from highly experienced teachers who have successfully navigated the digital space. It is not just about buying a course and being left alone. It is about joining a community with live teaching sessions, dedicated support groups, and direct access to mentors. Join the Grown Academy today. The training covers every aspect of the business, from setting up your social media ads to managing your leads and closing sales. You will learn how to use tools like Facebook Ads Manager to pinpoint your ideal customers, and how to use WhatsApp to manage conversations efficiently. The goal of the Academy is to help young people gain financial freedom without resorting to illegal activities or fraudulent schemes. It provides a roadmap for anyone, whether you are a university student, a stay-at-the-home parent, or someone working a 9-to-5 job who wants an extra stream of income. The Grown Academy is a registered and government-approved institute, ensuring that the training you receive is credible and recognized. Students from over 14 different countries, including Ghana, South Africa, Kenya, and the United Kingdom, are currently benefiting from these lessons. Upon completion of the training, you are even awarded a certificate to prove your expertise in digital marketing and affiliate business. This level of structure is what sets it apart from many other random online courses. Membership in the Academy is more than just education, it's an investment in your future. While the standard price for joining such an elite community might be as high as 200,000 Naira, there are often significant discounts available for those who are ready to take immediate action. Paying for your education is a necessary sacrifice that paves the way for greater returns. Many top earners started with very little, sometimes even borrowing the initial registration fee, because they knew the potential for growth was far greater than the initial cost. Inside the Academy, you'll find a masterclass that deep dives into advanced strategies. You'll be part of a vibrant WhatsApp and Telegram community where you can network with other students, share your success stories, and get answers to your questions in real time. This sense of community and direct mentorship is vital for maintaining momentum and overcoming any hurdles you might face as you start your journey. It's about growing together and supporting one another in a positive, goal-oriented environment. Financial freedom is possible for anyone who is willing to learn and put in the work. You don't need a sugar daddy or a high-paying office job to live a comfortable life. Young men and women are buying cars and building houses simply by mastering the skills taught in the academy. The digital economy doesn't care about your background or your previous struggles. It only cares about your ability to provide value and solve problems for others through effective marketing. If you are ready to change your life, the first step is to seek out a discount link and register. The pricing is often converted automatically to your local currency, whether it's Ghana cedis or South African rand, making it easy for international students to join. Once you sign up, give yourself at least 3 months of consistent effort. You will be amazed at how quickly your bank balance can transform when you have the right systems in place. Don't let the fear of the initial cost stop you. Think about the money you already spend on your phone, your data, and your daily living expenses. Spending a bit more to learn a skill that can pay you for the rest of your life is the smartest financial move you can make. The opportunity is here now, but prices can go back up at any time. Being smart means taking action when the opportunity is hot and the support is available. Success in affiliate marketing is not magic. It is the result of applying a proven formula consistently. By following the steps outlined in the Grown Academy, you are bypassing years of trial and error. You are getting the exact strategies that have already worked for thousands of others. This is your chance to stop being a passive consumer of content and start being a creator of wealth. Join the community today and start your journey toward becoming a top-tier digital entrepreneur. Your future self will thank you for making the decision to invest in your skills today. Keep watching Tech Vibes for more tips on how to master the digital world, mastering the skills taught in the academy. The digital economy doesn't care about your background or your previous struggles. It only cares about your ability to provide value and solve problems for others through effective marketing. If you are ready to change your life, the first step is to seek out a discount link and register. The pricing is often converted automatically to your local currency, whether it's Ghana cedis or South African rand, making it easy for international students to join. Once you sign up, give yourself at least 3 months of consistent effort. You will be amazed at how quickly your bank balance can transform when you have the right systems in place. Affiliate marketing is not magic. It is the result of applying a proven formula consistently. By following the steps outlined in the Grown Academy, you are bypassing years of trial and error. You are getting the exact strategies that have already worked for thousands of others. This is your chance to stop being a passive consumer of content and start being a creator of wealth. Join the community today and start your journey toward becoming a top-tier digital entrepreneur. Your future self will thank you for making the decision to invest in your skills today. Keep watching Tech Vibes for more tips on how to master the digital world.